Hello viewers, welcome to Food of Bengal official YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video I will prepare a mouth-watering authentic Bengali dish Shorsher Pata Bata or mustard leaf bata, which is ideal dish in this winter. Before starting, a request to new viewers, please like and share the video. Subscribe the channel for exciting upcoming new recipes. Let's start the video. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Do comment in the comment section and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video.